Happy Wednesday! Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's your next tip.
If you're making a drawing and want a view of your part or assembly that isn't one of the standard views, you can create custom views. There are a couple different ways of doing this. The first one I'll show is actually done in the model, so let's hop over into that. Let's say I want to orient this so it looks more like it's laying on its flat back. I'll move it in the graphics display to resemble that. Then, in the View Orientation section of the heads-up toolbar, I'll select this button to create a new view. The graphics display will go back to where it was and ask you to name the view. Now that it's made, I can always use this View Orientation dialog to get back to it. Now, if we head back to the drawing, we should see this custom view showing up in our choices. The other method of getting the view you want is rotating one that's already been placed. Simply select the view you want to rotate and click 3D Drawing View in the heads-up toolbar. This will open a pop-up that gives you a few options for manipulating the views. Align it however you want, and then you can either click OK or use the Save icon to create a view, much like we did in the model.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.